Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen and give you all are advised to look at my screen. Okay, no need to write the question, you just have to write the answers. Question number 1. What is the skeleton? Question number 2. What is posture? What is posture? Question number 3. Why do we need join? Question number 4. How do bones and how do bones and muscles work together? And question number 5. Write the names of 4 write the name of 4 different forms of exercise. Question number 5 is write the name of 4 different forms of exercises. 4 different form of exercises. Different forms of exercises. Write the name of 4 different forms of exercises. Okay, so question number 1, what is the skeleton? Question number 2, what is posture? Question number 3, why do we need joints? Question number 4, how do bones and muscles work together? And 5, write the name of 4 different forms of exercises. Yes, Arindram. And you know what is the rule? My class, close your book and memorize all the answer and then write it down. Alia, Yasmin, switch on your video. Alia, Atrin, Aryan, Ahmad. Those who are keeping their video off, they will mark as absent. So if you don't want to be marked absent, don't keep it off. Alia, Aryan Ahmed and Samraj Waisi, switch on your video. Aryan Ahmed and Samraj Waisi, this is third time I'm telling you. Keep on your video, otherwise I'll remove you from the class. Aryan Ahmed, what is your problem? Why you are keeping off your video? And Samraj Waisi, Samraj, if you are there, switch on your video. You never do classwork. You never do classwork. Intentionally who are keeping their video off. If you mark as absent, don't request me that, ma'am, please give me attendance. Let me clear. Ayman Karan. Fatiha Sultana, sit properly. Sit in front of the camera. Afroz, Jubair, Zenifa, where is your uniform? Alia Yashmi, not yet collected. Sadiq Farhan, if you are having your uniform, you must have to do the class in the uniform. Okay? You must have to do the class in uniform. If you are having school t-shirt, you can also put on that. Okay? Farhan Akhtar, writing from book. I can understand easily. Repeatedly, I'm saying you in the class that don't copy the answer from the book, because these are revision classes, and in the revision classes you're supposed to write the answer without book. Yes, Vijita.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I have Bengali talk.
I want to talk in Bengali. No, no problem. No problem. Tell me. If you make any mistake, I am there to rectify.
Ma'am, I have one completed.
You have completed question number 1.
No, 5. 5, ma'am.
You have completed all 5 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Very, very good.
Sab-
Okay. So can you tell me answer of question number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say.
Walking, cycling,
Yes.
running,
Yes.
swinging.
Swimming. Very, very good. Okay, now show me your copy. Hold it properly. Okay, and question number 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, Pachinata.
Oh, that is why you were saying. Why? Can't remember. That means you need to study hard. Yes, you need to study hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then do one thing. Open the chapter and read these questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Open the chapter and read these questions. So any day I can give you this type of question randomly. So from your side, you should study hard and you should prepare for test any day. Yes, Rabiul.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 1 to 5 complete. Ma'am, 1 to 5 complete. 3, 4 not complete. I am November.
1, 2, and 5 you have completed. Okay, then tell me question number 2. What is posture? No, don't
Posture,
read out from the copy. Just directly look at the camera and say,
posture, posture keeps and keeps our body in posture.
no, this is not the correct answer. Posture. You said that, ma'am, I have completed 1 to 5 and I am asking you from this question only. Then also you cannot tell me.
No, ma'am.
Why? Okay, tell me what is skeleton?
The bones together from a heart and strong framework called.
Yes, Rabiul, but you are reading out it from your copy. Okay, you know that if you really prepare from your side, you don't never need any type of help. You can directly tell me without checking without checking your copy or book. You need that much level of preparation. Okay, study hard. Good that you have completed, and for telling me the truth, study hard. Okay, read all these questions again and again. Okay, Afroz Ali, unmute your device.
Ma'am, I have completed 1
All
to 5.
questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me question number 3. Why do we need joints?
The players have 2 or more bones.
No, look at the camera and say. Look at the camera and tell me. Why
The
do we
players
need
were
joints?
the players were bones move our body with the help of muscles. They are under our skin and cover our bones.
You also need more preparation. You also need more hard work. Study hard, okay? I know that you can write the answer whenever I'm giving you a few questions within a few seconds, or all of you are doing the classwork, but at the time of telling me the answer, you are unable to tell me fluently also. Why? Because lack of practice, lack of reading. So student, not for my subject, for all subject, whatever you are writing, read loudly. Read loudly so that you can deliver your speech to the teacher fluently. You need more and more fluency. Okay. Read loudly. Read loudly, pronounce each and every word properly. Very good. But approach again and again, read this chapter properly. Okay.
Okay.
Study hard, all of you. I'm saying you study hard. Acha. Ifra, say.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
All questions.
Yes, ma'am.
You have completed all questions. Show me your copy. Okay, now close it. Now close it. Close your copy. Okay. Tell me, how do bones and muscles work together?
Bones and muscles together allow us to walk, run, and play.
Allow us to
Run and play.
Okay, good. Jinia Akhtar. Okay, good, Ifra.
Yes, ma'am.
Jinia, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your copy. Okay, now close it. And close your book also. Close your book also. And make sure that your book is closed. Okay, now tell me, what is the skeleton?
Skeleton is the hard structure composed of bones in proper position.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Atrey.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 4 minutes left. So today I'll not be able to ask all of you. So the same question I will ask you tomorrow again. Because today I'm having only 4 minutes. So those who have completed fast, one by one I'm asking to them. So those who are left, don't mind. Again tomorrow you will get chance to tell me. So study hard. Acha, Atrey completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Atrey, tell me, why do we need joints?
Joints are where two or more
Joints are-
bones are
Say again. Joints are
where two
Where?
or more
where. There is no word pronounced like where. Where? W-H-E-R-E. Pronounce where. Where?
joints are where
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, continue. I can hear you.
Joints are where two or more bones are meet together to allow us bend and twist.
Okay. Very good. So, like every day, there are few students. Every day every day they can tell me the answer very nicely. Just like Atrey, Orkopriya, Ankush, every day. And Srijita also. And thank you, Srijita, telling me the truth. But keep in mind, tomorrow again we'll ask you question. Everyone will ask by me, each and every one. Jinia also very good. So those who are copying the answer today, keep this in your mind. Tomorrow ma'am will ask you. Okay. Achha. 2 minutes I'm having. Orkopriya, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Orkopriya, tell me question completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me question number 4.
Bones and muscles work together to allow us to
Allow.
walk, run,
Allow na, it is allow.
allow us to walk, run, and play as Bones move our body with which are under our skin and cover our bones.
Okay, very good. Acha, thank you. Acha, Ankush and Swachhatwa, tomorrow at the starting of the class we'll ask you, okay? As time over today, tomorrow at the starting of the class, Ankush and Swachhatwa, I will start from you. Okay, very good. So you have completed, very good, but I'll not ask you to show me your copy because I know that every day you do the same thing, but at the time of telling me the answer, you fail to do that. So I'll not ask you show me your copy. Tomorrow, each and everyone will ask by me the question answer from this chapter, bones and muscle. So bones and muscle, this chapter is your homework for tomorrow. Okay, your homework for tomorrow. Tomorrow individually I will ask you question from this chapter. Okay, and also I will write down. Okay, chalo. Bye bye for today and okay, bye bye, tata.